A way to make $1 to $10 just by clicking, then this is for you. Coming up with the video, please like, share the video and subscribe to the video. Let's get started. Yeah, boys and girls, this is Boogie Roger here, and welcome to Boogie Roger's YouTube channel. Today we're talking about how to make money just by clicking. Yes, just by clicking, how it's possible. I'm going to be teaching something, and today we're going to be looking at clixsense. All right, clixsense. It sounds just like AdSense, but this one is called clixsense. So let's head over to my and what's the see I'll put the link to this particular website in the description, so you go and check. All right, yeah. So when you open the what's the name, the website, this is how it looks like. All right, this is a new account. I just created it right now. I created not less than I created. So when you open and you haven't read it, this is how it will look like. I'm looking to earn extra cash online. Clixsense, a global online community with multiple earning options. Join us and you pay on service, cash offers, figure it up, and yeah, okay. The Apple name service, cash offers, figure it out, referrals. That's pay $40 million per red. Then I want to miss that's the only signing, so we see exactly how we do it. I've already registered, so I wouldn't be registering again. So let me sign in. Then we take it from there. Okay, so when you sign in, we have a couple of things that you can do. We have the referral here, where if you have the chance and the opportunity to refer the thing to people. But if you want to earn more with this particular thing, then you must focus on referring. Note that the link I've left in the description is a referral link, which means when you register with that particular link, I'm going to be seeing for 0 cents or 0.30 cents depending on your country. So the moment somebody registered, you get paid. The moment the person register, you just get paid just a little amount, 10 cents to 30 cents depending on the person's country. And also you get to earn $5 once referrals earn their first $5, excluding their bonus and commission. You earn additional $2. All right, that's bonus for you. And activity commission, this simply means that when the person you referred is very active on the clixsense website, for every approved survey, offer and task your referrals complete, you earn a whopping 20% commission of what they earn. So this simply means that the moment you refer someone, if the person is earning $100 a month, you are going to make $20 out of what they are making a month, which means anything that they do, whether it's an offer, it's a survey, or it's a task, the moment they complete it, you have 20% to collect from it. So let's come back here and see exactly how to get this done. They have paid service, they have cash offers, they have games, they have clicks add-on. But I'm going to start with the paid service. Sorry, there are no survey products available for your country at this moment. Okay, let's come back here and check for the next one, which is cash offers. Let's see if it's something like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, you see, right? Yeah, now right here you can see. We have two here. Book a flight. Find and book the cheaper flight possible. Create special. Go with them to up 20% cheaper than others. Yeah. So here you get $5 to click. It's a click to earn. Alright, now clixsense is a website that you can trust. Alright, you say click to earn, and then this one is Java Wall. This is one daily browse. Get ready for completing fancy ways with just to collect rewards and crypto. Everything computer needs to be service. Any questions? Check your progress about that. Okay. So let's start with now the $5 is a click to earn. So let's see what you do to the end if you want to know how to get this thing on this. I'm doing this so you know exactly how it's done. Alright, so when you start this there's just a book which you are not going to actually win. You're not going to choose in a flight or something, but at least since you have clicked it like this, you're going to get them automatically or immediately the money in the account. It takes days to verify it's actually legit. They wouldn't have something that you didn't probably what do. Alright, yeah, so let's see. I'm still going to this top destination. You have to pay around $7 and is that okay? Yeah, so cheap flight from Kumasi to did this because I want you to know exactly how it is. Confirmation has not yet been received. You got it? So he said, you have marked this offer as complete less than a minute ago. Which means you should wait for about a minute or two on the particular. So when you click on it like this, you should spend at least more than 1 minute here. But because I'm making this video, we don't want to waste more time on it. But at least this is how it is. So when you put it and then you are good to go, just complete the offers, hit the click, done. Alright, but you don't have to spam there. I haven't done it. No, I haven't done it, so I wouldn't do that. I clicked the first one, I clicked on yes because I want to see what they say. That's why I clicked on yes. Just not clicking on the yes anymore. Yeah. So guys, this is it. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to this particular YouTube channel.